Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another 2 looks with the same shades, but I'm going to be using the singles that are in here as well as this Petal to the Metal from THEBALM. I got this in my February Ipsy Glam bag. This is in the shade Turbo. It's actually a cream shadow. So I think let me get them all lined up here so you can see them all. I think I can do a pretty good look with these. This is going to be a very neutral look, but I wanted to try and see what I can do with these colors to create a look. Plus I'm still testing out to see which ones I want to keep and which ones are too old that need to be trashed. So all of these shadows in here are from my line, and I need to use them to see what I need to toss and what I need to keep. So I'm not going to be talking through this, I'll just be playing music through it, but I will be showing you the shades that I use when I use them, and hopefully this is helpful to somebody.
I couldn't wish for anything better than to see you smile first thing every morning as you wipe sleep from your eyes. I hear you say your first words as you reach out to hold you. I guess it gets no better than the days I see before me. Love stretches further each day.
So this is the finished two looks here. This cream shadow is very interesting. I thought it was like a bronzy color, but it's not just like this taupey beigey bronze color. It has like glitter particles in it, and I was not expecting that. So when I used it over the like peachy, this like peachy pink shade, which is called Please, I was very surprised to see the glitter come out in it, because when I was using it over here, I didn't see as much glitter. This shade here, Unforgettable, I had to like dig and dig and dig and dig and dig into the pan in order to get any color payoff at all. I understand it's a lighter brown, but I had a hard time with it. Also this first shade here, which is Intuition. I honestly don't know how old either of these two are, but I know that I had to get my brush wet to even get this to show up. It didn't want to like pick up, and it's very like powdery feeling. So there's two shades right there I'm not too happy with. This brown right here that I use, it's also a shimmer, is Divine. It's okay, but it's not much different than the Unforgettable shade, which is next to it. And there is shimmer in it, but it's very like light. It's more like a satin shade, and I was remembering it as a shimmer shade instead of a satin shade, so that kind of like threw me for a loop. The banana shade I've used before, so I was familiar with the fact that it's basically like my skin but better. And then the Please shade is perfectly fine. It's like a muted pink shade when you blend it out. It's like a pinky peach kind of shade. So this shade here, I think I'm going to be tossing at the end of the month, as well as this one here. So I'm keeping 3 out of the 5. I mean, I've got like over 100 single shadows, so it is what it is. But I ended up creating like 2 very neutral looks. For me, that's very uncommon. So I'm wondering if I should use like a brighter lip color. I do have, where is it? There's an Illamasqua lip product that came in. Oh, there you are. It came in the Ipsy bag. So let me see if I add a little bit of this to my lips, if it helps. It's a little bit pinker. It added a little bit of color, but not a whole lot, not enough to be different. I was wearing the L'Oreal Color Riche in Glossy Fawn, so I didn't expect it to like get too much darker, but it is a little bit more on the peach side, which is fine. I like the lip color, and I really like how moisturizing the Glossy Fawn one is. So let me know what you guys think about the eye looks. I was expecting that Unforgettable brown to be a little bit darker than it was. I was remembering the shade Journey instead, and I did look in my other palette that I have here that has my bigger pans in it, and I thought I had Unforgettable in here, and I don't, or Journey in here, but I don't. So I'll probably be working out of this palette next to pick shades, because I've used all of that palette, and I know I've used this palette. Oh, this palette has Clydesdale. I forgot. I could have used that. Anyways, I know I've used these, and I know I've used the other ones. So I'm trying to get through like all of my single shadows, not to mention I still have the Lele shadows to do. So I'm trying to do like same shades, different looks for everything that I currently have in my Shop My Stash. Plus it gives me an idea of what shadows I want to keep from my line and what I want to get rid of. So if you like these same shades, different looks videos that I'm doing right now, please let me know in the comments down below. And let me know what you would like to see. Would you like to see like different placement, different colors? Would you like to see cut creases? Would you like to see halo eyes? Things like that. Would you like me to explain the difference between a cut crease and a halo eye? Because you've got like quarter cut creases, half cut creases, you've got 3/4, full cut creases, those kinds of things. You've got halo eyes, you've got spotlight eyes, which are similar to halo eyes. I've got a bunch of different things that I can talk about and show you, like technique wise, that I'm not quite sure how many other YouTubers have done. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see, and I will get it recorded for you. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you all are having a fantastic day or night, wherever you are, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.